Hello guys, in this video series we are making $1 million on YouTube. I'm sharing all my experience and my tips, tricks that I found out along the way so we can all grow together on YouTube. So today we are 0.053% at our YouTube revenue. We are close to $600. Right now this is day 48. These are our expenditures, our losses, and our AdSense revenue, which is $536, and that makes our profit $371. These are all of our investments. As you all know from the previous episodes, this microphone and our Ripple investment that we invested by the suggestion of this comment right here. We are always featuring the top comment below our videos. You can all interact with us. If you have any questions, we will respond, and for the top comment we are going to feature it in the next video. If you have any suggestions for us, we are going to implement it if that comment receives the most likes. So now let's jump into the YouTube studio to see how our channel is doing today, what we have learned, and how the channel is generally doing. So let's see. This is the YouTube studio. Right now we have 2,099 subscribers. Let's see if we reach 2,100 in this video. So these are our subscribers. Some new comments. Let's see what are our statistics. So these are the stats from the last 28 days. In the last 28 days we received 94k views, 1.2 thousand hours watch time, which is crazy. Until we reached the monetization limit, we struggled so much to receive those 4,000 watch hours that are required to monetize your channel. Now we can do it like in less than 4 months, which is crazy. So yeah, we received 315 subscribers in the last 28 days, and $313 is the amount of money that we made. So here are some stats from the last 48 hours. Let's see which videos are doing well in the last 48 hours. As you can see, these are the best videos right now on our channel. I mean, not the best ones. As we all know, not the best videos receive the most views. It's the mystery of the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, that's how it goes. So these are some of our stats from today. Let's see some revenue statistics, because I know that you are all interested about that. So as you know, we monetized our channel in the last days of March, so that's why we've made $44 only in March. April was our first full month where we made $318, and May is ongoing. Today is May the 16th, but obviously the revenue statistics aren't showing the exact number for today, because it lags behind, I think, by 3 days. So on the 14th of May we had $173 made on our channel, which is obviously a growing trend. So we are trying to scale this up. As you can see, our RPM for this month is $4.24. We are constantly working on increasing that. We are focusing more on long form content, because most of the videos on our channel right now are short explanation tutorial videos, mostly around 1 minute, which we all know are not the most profitable videos. So we have to give more value. We all know that this is the way. If you want to reach more people, if you want to make more money, you have to give more, you have to provide more value. So that's what we are trying to do on this channel. That's it for this video. If you are interested in our journey, just check out this playlist where we have been monitoring and sharing with you all the every day our experience on this playlist. So check that out. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.